cooling down a little bit. It's that time of the year. Football is on TV. That means you gotta have some really awesome things to feed your guests when you're watching football. Today we're gonna do some pig crackers on the Blackstone Pellet Grill. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started with these pig crackers, they're really, really easy to do. If you don't have a pellet grill, you can do it in your oven as well. Probably do it in your air fryer also. I know a lot of people has air fryers. But we're gonna put them in the smoker because a little bit of smoke really helps out. If you saw, I did that little trick where I rolled the bacon previously, and that helps to get the slices off a lot more easily. Take you a rack, especially even in the oven. I'm gonna put it right here because I'm using that as a little bit of some extra workspace. Get you some club crackers, just like this. And what's cool is the bacon is about the same width as your club cracker. So you can see right there, that's about how big you want your bacon. And I just crunched that whole club cracker there just to show that, but that's all right. We'll use another one. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna do some other cool things. And we're gonna put those over onto a little cooling rack, okay? And these cooling racks make it really nice when you're doing little small things on a smoker. You can just put it into there, put it into the smoker and take it right out. Makes it easy. I wanna finish filling this tray up with these pig crackers and we'll come right back, y'all. All right, got our last one there. I want to bring these back over to our cutting board. We're not done. We're not done with these things. We're going to season these bad boys up a little bit. Got a few things. Got a pineapple sriracha. Got a sweet maple from Blackstone and this spicy brown sugar. So I'm just going to do just a few with each of these. I'll do these with this. What is this? Spicy brown sugar. Spicy brown sugar. There we go. Let me see here. This is sweet maple. Sweet. Ooh, sweet. And I'm gonna do the next one with pineapple sriracha. La sriracha. Now, I want to do those back two with a little bit of all of these. That's the cool thing about doing things like this. You just kind of do your own thing. Make it your own. A little bit of this sweet maple. A little bit of this spicy brown sugar. All right. Now, I want to bougie this up a little bit. Let's bougie it up. I'm going to take a jalapeno. And I don't really want that really spicy part with a lot of veins. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to come in. I'll put a little happy jalapeno right there. Give it a little bit of color, a little bit of texture. Okay. Sugar. This right here is going to be hot. It's got a lot of seeds in it. Yeah, boy. Not going to do all of them. Just these trial ones over here. We're putting everything on them. You can put some Fresno chilies on there. Also, want a little red too. So, like I said, make it your own. Let's put these over onto the smoker and we're going to let them go for, we're going to check them about 30 minutes. I'm guessing it's going to take about an hour. I got the grill on about a 250 degrees. It's going to go nice, low, and slow. All right, guys, it's been about 50 minutes. Let's go see where our pig crackers are. Woo! Oh, yeah. Look at those. Ain't that just pretty? Let's head over to the cutting board. What, that bacon has rendered perfectly. Woo! Nice and crispy. I'll tell you what, I want to try one of these with these jalapenos. A little dried jalapeno on there. These right here ain't too hot, but we'll give them a try anyway. Oh, that jalapeno. Woohoo! How hot. That's so good. The cracker is still buttery. The bacon, of course, is just good. That smoky goodness. that seasoning we put on there. Oh, let me try one of these other ones that don't have a jalapeno on it. Whew, the jalapeno was kind of hot. I like this. That's about the way I like my bacon. A little bit of chew to it. That was good. This right here will make a great little appetizer for that game day. I highly suggest you make them. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.